Hi guys, let's look at the next exercise, exercise 4D. Now there is no new concept that I need to talk about before I start the exercise. So let's move on directly into the questions and see what we get. So question 1, if x plus 2y plus 3z is 0, x cubed plus 4y cubed plus 9z cubed is 18xyz, evaluate what will be the value of this. So in the numerator I have x plus 2y. So from the first equation I get x plus 2y is equal to negative 3z. The second one is 2y plus 3z, which will be equal to 2y plus 3z will be equal to negative x. And the last one, 3z plus x would be equal to negative 2y. Substituting this in the required question, what I get is negative 3z the whole square upon xy plus negative x the whole square upon yz plus negative 2y the whole square upon zx. Let's open the bracket. This is 9z square upon xy plus x square upon yz plus 4y square upon zx. Let's add this. The LCM of this would be x, y, z. So the first term will have to be multiplied with a z. That makes it 9z cube. The second term x, which means I will get it x cube. The third term will have to be multiplied with a y, so this becomes 4y cube. Now since x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz, so that's what the numerator becomes. The denominator is xyz, which means this is equal to 18. Reason for here, since x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is given equal to 18xyz. Good, let's look at the next one. No new concept, that's why I said let's go ahead and solve the questions directly. Question 2, it says if a plus 1 upon a is equal to m, find in terms of m a minus 1 upon a and a square minus 1 upon a square. So the relation between a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a that I know is a plus 1 upon a the whole square minus a minus 1 upon a the whole square is equal to 4. Yes, that's correct. So we need to find a minus 1 upon a, which means a plus 1 upon a the whole square minus 4 would be equal to a minus 1 upon a the whole square, bringing 4 on this side and taking negative a minus 1 upon a the whole square on this side. So a plus 1 upon a is given as m. So this is m square minus 4 is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole square, which means a minus 1 upon a is equal to square root of m square minus 4. You want to be 100% sure of full marks, write plus minus outside of this. That's about it. Let's look at the second part of the question. The second part of the question says a square minus 1 upon a square. So what we have is a square minus 1 upon a square. This is of the type x square minus y square, which is equal to x plus y multiplied with x minus y. In this case, a plus 1 upon a multiplied with a minus 1 upon a. The value of a plus 1 upon a is given equal to m. The value of a minus 1 upon a we just calculated as plus minus root m square minus 4. So that the answer plus minus m times m square minus 4. So that's the second part of the question. Good, let's look at the next one. The next one that we're doing is question number 4. Question 4 says if x is more than 0 and x square plus 1 upon 9x square is 25 upon 36, find x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So I can figure out that I will need x plus 1 upon x to be able to find x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. Let's see what we can get from here. This is x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Yes, this is x square plus 1 upon 3x square, which means what I can get is, if I write this as x plus 1 upon 3x the whole square, this will be x square plus 1 upon 9x square plus 2 times x into 1 upon 3x. Yes, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The x and x get cancelled. X plus 1 upon 3x the whole square would be equal to, the value of this is given equal to 25 upon 36, and what I got from here was 2 upon 3. The LCM of 36 and 3, yes, that's 36. So this is 25 plus, I'll have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 12. Denominator by 12 to make it 36. So I multiply numerator also with 12. That's 24, which means x plus 1 upon 3x would be equal to root of 25 plus 24, 49 upon 36, which would be plus minus 7 upon 6. So I've got the value of x plus 1 upon 3x, and that should help me figure out the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube. So let's look at this. What we have is x plus 1 upon 3x, the whole cube, would be equal to x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube plus 3 times x into 1 upon 3x, which will get cancelled in any case, multiplied with x plus 1 upon 3x. So this 3x and this 3x get cancelled. This is what I know. The value of this I know. So this is x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube would be equal to x plus 1 upon 3x the whole cube minus x plus 1 upon 3x. Yes, that's true. Plus minus x plus 1 upon 3x. So this will be the answer. Let's substitute values. So when x is equal to plus 7 upon 6, what we get is x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube would be equal to 7 upon 6 cube minus 7 upon 6. 7 cube, that's 343. 6 cube, that's 216, minus 7 upon 6. The LCM is 216, so this is 343 minus that 36 into 7, that's 210 and 42, so that's 252, which would make this 91. Yes, 91 upon 216. So that's the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. Now, when x is equal to negative 7 upon 6, what we get is x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube would be equal to negative 7 upon 6 the whole cube minus of negative 7 upon 6. So this is negative 343 upon 216 plus 7 upon 6. In this case, 216 is the LCM, negative 343 plus 252, which means negative 91 upon 216. So my answer is plus minus 91 upon 216. Next question I'll solve where I will not do it separately, one value separate, the other value separate. I would try and do it in one step itself. Good, let's look at the next one. The next one we are doing is question number 5. Question number 5 says if 2 times x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, find x minus 1 upon x. Now I remember if we have to there is no x in the denominator, which means if I take this x on this side, which means I divide it by x, what I'll get is 2 times x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. Let's bring this 2 on this side, so I'll have x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5 upon 2. This gives me x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5 upon 2. So that the first part, no, not really, they didn't want us to figure out x plus 1 upon x, so but we will still need it to be able to solve anything from here. A relationship that I know is x plus 1 upon x the whole square minus x minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 4. Let's substitute values. What we get is 5 upon 2 whole square minus 4 would be equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square. Yes, I took this on the other side and I brought 4 here. So this is 25 upon 4 minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square. This is 25 minus 16 upon 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square, which means x minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to, not whole square, let's remove the square root sign from here now. So x minus 1 upon x will be equal to square root of 9 upon 4, which is equal to plus minus 3 upon 2. So that's the first part of the question, x minus 1 upon x. Let's look at the second part of the question, which is x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So what we know is x minus 1 upon x the whole cube would be equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 times x minus 1 upon x, which gives me x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole cube plus 3 times x minus 1 upon x. Let's substitute values. So this is plus minus 3 by 2 cube plus 3 times plus minus 3 by 2. Yes, that's correct. So 3 cube, that's 27. 2 cube, that's 4. 2 cube is 8, not 4. 2 cube is 8, and plus cube is plus, negative cube is negative. Plus multiplied with plus will give me plus 3, 9 upon 2, and plus multiplied with negative will give me negative 9 upon 2. Let's take LCM. When I take the LCM, what I get is 8. This is 27 plus 9 into 4. That's 36. And this is plus minus. So this is plus minus 63 plus minus 63 upon 8. If you want full marks, you would write this as plus minus 8 into 7 50 8 8 into 7 56. That's plus minus 7 upon 8. That's the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Right, that's the correct answer. Let's move on. The next one we do is question number 9. Question number 9 says if x is equal to 1 upon x minus 5 and x is not equal to 5. Yeah, this is important because if x were equal to 5, then my denominator is 0, which means I would have, and dividing by 0 in mathematics is not allowed. They want us to calculate x square minus 1 upon x square. To me, I think we'll first have to calculate x plus 1 upon x, and we'll have to calculate x minus 1 upon x. That'll help us figure out x square minus 1 upon x square. So let's cross multiply. What I get is x square minus 5x is equal to 1. Yes, x square minus 5x is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by x because that's the only way I'll get x in the denominator. So what I get is x minus 5 is equal to 1 upon x, which when I rearrange, it becomes x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So I've got one part of the question, which is x minus 1 upon x. Now we need to figure out x plus 1 upon x. The relation between them is x plus 1 upon x whole square minus x minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 4, which means x plus 1 upon x the whole square would be equal to 4 plus x minus 1 upon x the whole square, which gives us x plus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 4 plus the value of x minus 1 upon x we just calculated as 5. This is equal to 9. So what we have is, yeah, have I made some mistake? No, x square plus 1 minus 1 upon x square is equal to 4. That's correct. So this is 4 plus 5. Why did I write 5? That's where the mistake is. This is not 5. This is 5 square. Yes, that's why I was surprised. Let me erase this. Let's write this again. So this is equal to 4 plus x minus 1 upon x is 5. So this is 5 square, which is 4 plus 25, which is equal to 29, which means x plus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus square root of 29. So that's the value of x plus 1 upon x. We already figured x minus 1 upon x, which means x square minus 1 upon x square would be equal to x plus 1 upon x multiplied with x minus 1 upon x. This is 5 and this is plus minus root 29. So the answer is plus minus 5 root 29. That's the answer that they were expecting, x square minus 1 upon x square. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we're doing is question number 12. I hope you've been liking the video and I hope you are enjoying what I do with you here. In case you have any suggestions, comments, please feel free to write into me. Next question, question number 12. It says sum of two numbers is 7. So let the two numbers be x and y. So what the first thing which is given is x plus y is equal to 7. What's also given is sum of their cubes is 133, which means x cube plus y cube is given equal to 133. They want us to calculate the sum of their squares, which means x square plus y square is what they want us to calculate. So any relationship between these two? Yes, what I know is x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y. Yes, that's the correct equation. Let's substitute values of what I know. This is 7 cube, x cube plus y cube given as 133 plus 3xy times x plus y given as 7. 7 cube, that 343 minus 133, if I take 133 on the other side, is equal to 7 into 3, 21xy. 343 minus 133, that's 210 is equal to 21xy, which means xy is equal to 10. So xy is equal to 10 will help me figure out the value of x square plus y square, because I know x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Let's substitute values. X plus y we know is 7, which means 7 square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy, that's 10. So 49 minus 20 is equal to x square plus y square, which is equal to 29. So that's our final answer. X square plus y square is 29. Again, repetition of the same concept again and again. So that's why I say do remember certain formulae. Next one, question number 13, part 2. It says, in each of the following cases, find the value of a. So this is what is given. Let's open the right hand side. So right hand side is given equal to 2x minus 3 whole square, which means 4x square plus 9 minus 2 times 2x into 3, which is 4x square plus 9 minus 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12 minus 12x. Now comparing with LHS, what we get is 4x square plus ax plus 9 is equal to 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So which means 4x square gets cancelled, plus 9 gets cancelled, ax is equal to negative 12x, which means a is equal to negative 12. So that's the value of a which they wanted us to calculate. Very simple. You will not get these kind of questions in the exam ever. Next one, question number 14. In fact, that's the last but one. We'll have only one more question after this. So this is x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, 1 by 3. X is more than 1. Find the value of x minus 1 upon x and x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Let's cross multiply. That's the only way we'll be able to get a equation which we can work on. So this gives me x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 10 upon 3. If I cross multiply, I get 3x square plus 3 is equal to 10x. Dividing both sides by x because x is more than 1, so which means it's not 0. If I divide this, the left hand side becomes 3x plus 3 upon x is equal to 10. I notice 3 is common on both these sides or on both these terms, which means 3 times x plus 1 upon x is equal to 10, which means x plus 1 upon x is equal to 10 upon 3. Instead of cross multiplying, I could have done this division as well directly. This would have still given me x square upon x plus 1 upon x, which would have been x plus 1 upon x. I could have saved these two steps, which I did. Anyway, let's move on. So we've calculated the value of x plus 1 upon x. What they want us to figure out is x minus 1 upon x. So the relation between x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x, that's x plus 1 upon x the whole square minus x minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 4. Let's substitute values. What we get is, no, this is not x, this is 3. Yeah, that's why I was surprised. So this is 3, 10 upon 3. So 10 upon 3 the whole square minus 4 would be equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square. That's 100 upon 9 minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square, which is equal to 100 minus 36 upon 9, which means x minus 1 upon x is equal to the square root of 100 minus 36, that's 64 upon 9, which means plus minus 8 upon 3. So that's the value of x minus 1 upon x. So first part of the question done. For that, we first figured out the value of x plus 1 upon x, then we calculated x minus 1 upon x. Next, x cube minus 1 upon x cube. For this, we will have to cube the x minus 1 upon x. So this is x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 times x minus 1 upon x, which gives me x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole cube plus 3 times x minus 1 upon x. Let's substitute values. X minus 1 upon x, that's plus minus 8 upon 3 the whole cube plus 3 times plus minus 8 upon 3. 8 cube, that's 64 into 8, that's 512 upon 27 plus minus, because plus cube is plus, minus cube is minus. Again, plus multiplied with plus, plus multiplied with minus negative. So 8 into 3, that's 24 upon 3. That's 8. I could have just cancelled it. Again, I take the LCM. The LCM is 27. So in the numerator, I have plus minus 512 and plus minus 8 multiplied with 27. So that's 216. In fact, I can simplify this. It would be easier. Anyway, I've already done this mistake here. So this is plus minus 728 upon 27. If you want full marks, you would write this as in the mixed fraction form. So that would be plus minus 26 upon 27. Is that correct? Yes. But I have made a mistake, or have I? Yes, let's check. Let's read the question again. The question says x is more than 1, which means the value of negative 8 by 3 is not possible. So since x is more than 1, therefore x minus 1 upon x will be 8 upon 3, not minus 8 upon 3. Right? X is more than 1, so 1 minus a number which is 1 as an x minus, so positive number which is more than 1 minus the reciprocal of it will never be a negative number. Correct? Because the number will always be more than the reciprocal. Good. So which means here that I need to remove the negative sign from all the places where I put a negative sign. Right? I'm glad I noticed the question was still, had still not finished. That's why I recommend once you finish the question, you should always read the question once again. So in this case, x minus 1 upon x is 8 by 3. So I will be substituting only plus 8 by 3, and that's the final answer that I get. That brings me to the last question that I solved with you. That's question number 15. It says difference between two positive numbers is 4, which means x minus y is equal to 4. And the difference between the cubes is 316. So let x is more than y. What I get is x cube minus y cube is equal to 316. That's the relationship which is given. Next, we need to find their product. So what we need to find out is xy and the sum of their squares, which means x square plus y square. So the relationship that I know is x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Let's substitute values. X minus y is 4, so 4 cube, and x cube minus y cube is given as 316 minus 3xy, and x minus y is 4. 4 cube, that's 64. Okay, and I'll take this on the other side. So 64 plus 316 would be equal to 12xy. So I've got 3xy, or negative 3xy into 4 on this side and 4 cube on this side. So this became, no, I've done this wrong. I'm making way too many mistakes in this question. Oh, okay, let's do this again. So this is 4 cube is equal to 316 minus 3xy multiplied with 4, which means 4 cube, that's 64, is equal to 316 minus 12xy. Let's bring 12xy on this side. So that's 12xy is equal to 316 minus 64. So 12xy is equal to 252. Yes, 16 and 48, that's correct, which means xy is equal to 252 upon 12. 12 1, 12 2, 24, that's 12. Therefore, xy is equal to 21. Finally, I made way too many mistakes. Doesn't matter as long as I realize it while I'm doing the question. So the product is 21. We need to find the sum of their squares. So x plus y the whole square. No, x plus y is not given. X minus y is given. So x minus y the whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Yes, let's substitute values. X minus y, that's 4 square, is equal to x square plus y square minus 2 times 21, which means x square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 2 times 21, that's 42. Yes, that's 42. So this is 58. So x square plus y square is equal to 58. Done. That brings me to an end of this exercise. Let me mark some homework questions for you. Homework question for you from exercise D would be question 7, question 10, question 11. 3 questions. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. If you have any queries, feel free to write into me. Bye bye.